Wellness inspired by nature. In an age defined by rapid technological advancement and urbanization, many are rediscovering the profound benefits of aligning their wellness routines with the rhythms of the natural world. From ancient traditions to modern scientific research, the connection between human health and environmental harmony continues to reveal new dimensions. The concept of nature-inspired wellness encompasses a holistic approach to well-being that draws from the wisdom of ecosystems, seasonal cycles, and biological patterns found across the planet. This philosophy emphasizes sustainability, balance, and deep-rooted connections to our environment. The science behind nature's healing power. Modern neuroscience has uncovered compelling evidence that time spent in natural environments significantly reduces stress levels and improves mental clarity. Studies show that even brief exposure to green spaces can lower cortisol production, the hormone associated with chronic stress. Research published in the journal Environmental Health Perspectives demonstrates that individuals who engage regularly with nature report improved sleep quality and enhanced mood regulation. These effects are attributed to reduced inflammation markers and increased parasympathetic nervous system activity. Forests, oceans, and mountainous regions contain unique microorganisms that may strengthen immune function through what scientists call biophilia. This theory suggests humans have an innate tendency to seek connections with life and other organisms. Forest bathing, a Japanese practice called Shinrin-yoku, involves immersing oneself in forest environments to promote relaxation and reduce blood pressure. Ocean therapy. Coastal communities often experience lower rates of depression due to the calming influence of ocean waves and sea air. Mountain retreats. High-altitude locations provide cleaner air and opportunities for physical activity that enhance cardiovascular health. Natural remedies rooted in traditional knowledge. Cultures worldwide have long utilized plants, minerals, and ecological systems for healing purposes. Many traditional medicines continue to inform contemporary approaches to wellness despite advances in pharmaceutical science. Turmeric, derived from curcuma longa roots used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, contains curcumin, a compound proven to reduce inflammation and support joint health. Similarly, echinacea, native to North America, remains widely studied for its potential immune-enhancing properties. Ayurveda and Chinese herbalism offer extensive pharmacopoeias based on millennia of observational knowledge. Modern researchers increasingly validate these systems through clinical trials measuring efficacy against conditions ranging from anxiety to digestive disorders. Traditional African healers still rely on baobab trees for vitamin C-rich supplements, while Amazonian shamans utilize ayahuasca vine brews for psychological exploration under controlled settings. These practices highlight humanity's enduring relationship with botanical resources. Mindfulness practices aligned with natural rhythms. Synchronizing daily routines with natural cycles enhances both physical vitality and emotional equilibrium. Morning rituals timed with sunrise energy and evening wind-down periods aligned with sunset patterns. Winter diets emphasizing hearty soups and fermented foods maintain gut microbiome diversity, crucial for immunity. Fermented cabbage, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha tea exemplify probiotic-rich options available year-round. Local farmers' markets facilitate direct engagement with agricultural producers, fostering appreciation for seasonal variations in flavor and texture. Cooking with heirloom varieties preserves genetic biodiversity while enhancing culinary experiences. Ecological mindfulness in daily life. Cultivating awareness of environmental interactions transforms routine actions into meaningful contributions toward collective well-being. Simple choices regarding transportation modes, waste disposal, and energy usage ripple outward into broader systemic impacts. Opting for biking or walking instead of motor vehicles reduces pollution exposure and promotes cardiovascular fitness simultaneously. Public transit usage decreases traffic congestion while supporting community infrastructure. Recycling programs divert materials from landfills, extending resource life cycles and reducing extraction demands on raw material reserves. Composting food scraps enriches soil fertility rather than contributing to methane emissions in waste treatment facilities. Energy conservation practices such as turning off unused electronics and utilizing natural daylight minimize reliance on non-renewable sources. Smart thermostats calibrated to outdoor temperatures further enhance efficiency without compromising comfort standards. The role of nature in mental health recovery. Therapeutic landscapes play vital roles in treating psychiatric conditions through structured engagement with natural surroundings. Equine-assisted therapy, horticultural therapy, and wilderness immersion programs demonstrate measurable improvements in patients undergoing rehabilitation. Hospitals integrating garden spaces observe faster patient recovery times and decreased medication requirements. Green corridors connecting medical facilities to nearby parks enable restorative walks that complement conventional treatments. Veterinary professionals working with service animals note that interactions with therapy dogs reduce symptoms of PTSD and generalized anxiety disorder. These partnerships illustrate cross-species healing mechanisms rooted in evolutionary biology. Art therapists guiding clients through nature-themed creative projects stimulate cognitive functions impaired by neurological disorders. Landscape painting sessions outdoors encourage spatial awareness and fine motor skills development in pediatric populations. Community engagement through environmental stewardship. Participating in habitat restoration projects fosters social cohesion while addressing ecological challenges collectively. Volunteer cleanups along riverbanks prevent pollutants from entering aquatic ecosystems and restore riparian zones critical for wildlife habitats. Tree planting initiatives combat deforestation by increasing carbon sequestration capacity and improving urban heat island mitigation strategies. Participatory mapping efforts identify areas requiring ecological intervention based on community input. Education programs teaching children about pollinators and seed dispersal mechanisms instill lifelong stewardship values. Schoolyard gardens serve as living laboratories for hands-on learning about photosynthesis and food chains. Neighborhood watch groups expanded to monitor invasive species invasions, protect native biodiversity. Citizen science platforms collect data on phenology shifts indicating climate change impacts visible through public participation. Conclusion: this exploration of nature-informed wellness reveals countless pathways to achieving greater harmony between individual health and global ecology. Integrating these principles into daily life doesn't require drastic transformations but rather intentional choices reflecting respect for Earth's intricate web of relationships. To begin your journey towards a more nature-connected existence, consider starting small. Schedule weekly park visits, replace synthetic cleaning products with vinegar solutions, or grow herbs on your windowsill. Every step taken toward ecological mindfulness contributes to a healthier planet and flourishing mind-body connection.